Hi, welcome to Qishan Technologies, the official authorized GMCC compressor distributor. Today we are going to break down the two core lines of GMCC. First, GMCC scope compressors, built for commercial HVAC, heat pumps and chillers. They are compatible with R410A, R32, R454B refrigerants, delivering stable, high-efficiency performance for high-load industrial and commercial applications. Moving on to our another key line, GMCC Rotary compressors. Ideal for residential AC, light commercial systems, and refrigeration. They are support R32, R410A, R219, and R134A refrigerants. Offering compact design, quiet operation, and proven durability for everyday cooling needs. As GMCC authorized distributor, every compressor we supply is original and backed by full factory support. Check our site for more details.